everyone, welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 178th Street. Today, I have a 2017 Lexus RX 350 in Atomic Silver. This is the standard package. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine. You have 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels and keyless entry. Inside, you have black leather interior with 8-way power seats. Beside your steering wheel, you have your automatic high beams, trunk button, and heated steering wheel. You have memory seats on the door panel, as well as your power windows, side mirrors, and door controls. In the back seat, middle console, you have an extra compartment and cup holders. In front of that is your heated seats for the back and manual adjusting rear seats. You have a leather steering wheel with cruise control and all the controls for your dashboard. To your right is your entertainment system that can be controlled from this. And under that, you have your audio controls as well as your dual climate control. You also have your heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. You have a push to start engine and your control, as well as your mode selector. Above is your sunroof controls with touch sensitive lights and sunglasses holder. You have a coin compartment as well as a spacious center console. You have an automatic liftgate that opens up into a spacious trunk. To your right, you have the levers to fold down your back seats. Under the carpet is your spare tire and tools, and automatic closing and locking as well. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton, where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.